WW Sort 24, a review of long vowel patterns. So in this sort, I'm going to do it two ways as a reminder of the different ways that you can make the long vowel sounds. I want you to remember to be listening and thinking along the way. You should be able to say at least one thing that this sort is trying to teach you and write it on your sort record. Now, I'm going to simply put these into the vowel that each word has. The long vowel, light, glow, I makes the I sound. Way sounds like A. Tone, pool is really a U sound. We got a lot of words here that don't quite fit, that's okay. Old, jail, soak, grind, sold, drew, and not our friend Drew, drew, seen, or actually drew, I'm sorry, that is a long U sound even though it has an E. Bleed, feast, school, that oo sound is really the U. Slide, steep, wave, clue, sneak, bind, and crow sounds like O. Okay, so while we were doing these in the last several sorts, you were getting different ways that the long vowel sound could be made. And that is what you see at the top of these headers. You see consonant vowel with two consonants after it, a consonant with two vowels in the middle, that's your two vowels go walking, and then you have the vowel with the silent E, and then you have open syllable ones. Words that end with either one vowel or two vowels, or maybe even that Y that's sounding like a vowel. So I'm going to resort these so that they go under one of those patterns. So here we have way. We have the A sound at the end of the word with no consonant sound after, so that makes it an open syllable. Seen, we have a silent E. Dry, we have an I sound at the end. That's a long I, but it's an open syllable. Words that end with syllable sounds are always long. Grind, I see two consonants at the end after the vowel. Bleed, we have two vowels. Feast, two vowels. Jail, also two vowels. Steep has two vowels. Wave has silent E. Sneak, two vowels. Light, we have consonants after. In fact, three consonants. Slide, silent E. Bind. Soak, two vowels. Crow is the open syllable, O sound. Old, two consonants after the vowel. School, two vowels. Hold, two consonants. O silent E for tone. Glow, open syllable. Pool, we have two vowels. Drew is an open syllable. Clue, another open syllable with two vowels at the end. Take a look again. You could have a long vowel that has two consonants after it. You could hear a long vowel if you have two vowels in a row. EE and EA both make the E sound. AI for A. OA for O. EA, another E. Okay, double O makes the special OO sound. And then over here, very common with the silent E, there's tons of words that have silent E. And lastly, if you hear that open syllable sound at the end, as you can see, many of them might have Y if you remember your old sorts, or maybe it's really being made with the OW at the end, and sometimes something else, an EW or a UE. So think for a moment about that and be careful with your sorting. Now, what can you write on your sort record?